The Kraus core? The Ruvati or Hykolity? Perhaps the DeerValley or the Elkay Quartz Classic? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 kitchen sinks available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best kitchen sinks. The 5th product on this list is the Hykolity KSD3319. Every home needs a practical kitchen sink, and this one is designed with a 33 inches double bowl with a 10-inch depth inner bowl dimension. This deep double bowl will fit your largest pots and stacks of dishes and accommodate all your kitchenware. We like that the Hykolity is made with premium 16-gauge T304 stainless steel for superior strength and durability. In addition, the commercial-grade T304 high materials have a satin finish, ensuring that it is highly resistant to dirt and grime, quickly wiping clean and matching most kitchen appliances. It also has soundproof technology with extra thick pads, which cover most of the sink, and non-toxic undercoating for added insulation to minimize the noise. Another advantage is that it utilizes undermount installation for a sleek and seamless look. We particularly love that it comes with all the required accessories, such as a drain assembly with filter, stainless steel bottom grids, mounting hardware, cutout template, and clear instructions that help you finish an easy assembly. Lastly, it has a lifetime warranty with satisfaction guaranteed with customer service that puts you first. Its pros are, it is designed to be great for multitasking, it is well sized to fit all your needs, and it utilizes soundproofing technology, which stops your sink from echoing. However, it easily picks up scratches, which can be frustrating. The Hykolity KSD3319 is perfect for some who want a modern kitchen look paired with simple practicality. Up next in 4th place is the Elkay Quartz Classic Single Bowl. This is a kitchen sink with a smooth surface and great depth to its structure. It is made from natural quartz and comes in a range of UV-stable neutral colors, which includes shades of black, brown, gray, and white, which allows you to add an unexpected pop of color to your space. This great sink has the durability you need for your daily routine tasks. It is molded from fine quartz sand to resist banging, chipping, and scratches. It also includes heat-safe protection up to 535 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to place your hot pans and pots without worrying about them damaging the unit. We also like that it is a high-capacity bowl that offers more room for stacking dishes, filling stock pots, and handling large baking sheets and roasters. Another advantage is that the hygiene protection includes the ultra-fine, non-porous structure, which means food and liquid will not stick to the surface. Moreover, the sink is designed to be installed beneath the countertop. This means you get a seamless appearance between the sink and countertop. All in all, the Elkay Quartz is designed to offer you a colorful and stylish look for your kitchen, and is durable enough to handle any challenging task. Its pros are, it has a wide range of colors to fit your home decor, it is designed to be durable, which makes it great for the long term, and it has a protective coat that helps prevent surface staining. However, it is worth mentioning that it weighs nearly 70 pounds, so you will want to help installing it. The Elkay Quartz Classic Single Bowl is fantastic for anyone who wants to add an accent color to their kitchen without sacrificing quality. Still haven't found a kitchen sink that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the DeerValley DV-1K026. This next sink is designed at about 10 inches deep, oversized with a rear offset drain and tightly rounded corners. It creates an uninterrupted workspace for washing large cookware, like stock pots and baking sheets. This kitchen sink is an example of a stunning union of advanced engineering and sleek modern style, and it will totally change the room to give you that wow factor. The sink is molded from porcelain and has a stunning glaze that resists stains and scratches. We like that the DeerValley is easy to maintain and clean with just soapy water and a sponge. Another advantage is that this porcelain sink is created with a naturally durable material, specially designed for impact resistance. It features a stain and scratch resistant surface that withstands everyday use and maintains its luster year after year. This farmhouse kitchen sink is a fashionable kitchen fixture with a modern look and a large single bowl that can accommodate large pots and pans. Lastly, the sloped bottom really helps with draining and cleanup, making it ideal for daily use, especially if you don't own a dishwasher. Its pros are, it has a unique design which makes it stand out, it has a high capacity so it is ideal for large cookware, and it is easy to clean with just soapy water. However, the porcelain is more prone to chipping than other materials. The DeerValley DV-1K026 is an excellent sink with a functional design that makes it a perfect addition to any kitchen. The second product on this list is the Kraus Core Workstation. This sink is well worth considering because it has an interesting integrated ledge that allows you to slide custom accessories across the sink to streamline meal preparation and cleanup without losing space on the kitchen counter. What's more, this purchase would be excellent value for money. The sink comes with a 5-piece chef set, which includes a roll-up dish drying rack, perfect for rinsing produce or drying dishes, and protecting your countertops from hot items. There is also a bamboo cutting board that will not crack or warp, and a dish grid, filter, and drain cover. Moreover, this deep sink has tight radius corners and an offset drain, creating an excellent workspace to wash your largest cookware, such as stock pots and baking sheets. We also like that it has a dual mount design which allows you to undermount or drop in installation with any type of kitchen counter, and an extra thick mounting deck that sits flat against the counter. The intelligent design is made to add valuable counter space by letting you work right over the sink, so it's perfect for a kitchen of any size. Another advantage is the heavy-duty 16-gauge steel construction that is highly resistant to dents. What's more, it is engineered for easy draining with a gently sloped bottom and channel groove, preventing water from pooling in the sink. So if you have a large family and a busy kitchen, this unit is an outstanding choice. Its pros are, it has a large capacity bowl which makes doing dishes easy, it is durably made while stylish enough to fit multiple kitchen decors, and it comes with additional accessories like a cutting board and a drying rack. However, the fasteners and mounting brackets to hold the sink are difficult to use, making installation time-consuming. The Kraus Core Workstation is made for heavy-duty use and has a unique ergonomic design suitable for any household. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top kitchen sink is the Ruvati RVH8300. The ultimate kitchen sink is the Ruvati with its single bowl workstation kitchen sink, which adds elegance to any kitchen. It has an overhanging edge that acts as a sliding track and includes a deep colander engineered with stainless steel, a wooden cutting board, and a deep stainless steel colander. There's even a dish drying roll-up rack with slide-on ledges that allow you to convert your sink into a workspace. We also like that the 16-gauge premium T304 grade stainless steel is made to never rust or stain with the commercial-grade brushed finish, which is easy to clean and long-lasting. This brushed finish hides scratches and matches well with your kitchen appliances. Another advantage is that this heavy-duty sound guard undercoating and thick rubber padding that minimizes noise and reduces condensation. What's more, this sink features a sloped bottom with grooves that allow complete water draining. In addition, the interior bowl dimensions are large at just over 32 by 19 inches front to back, with a 10-inch depth and standard 3.5-inch drain openings that will fit any garbage disposal unit. Overall, it's a highly functional unit in every respect, and one that we think would be perfect for any kitchen. Its pros are, it is large and comes with useful ergonomic accessories, it has an anti-rust protective coating which makes it durable, its sound guard undercoat effectively minimizes noise, and it has a good water draining system with its sloped design. However, the included mounting hardware isn't suitable for all kinds of countertops. The Ruvati RVH8300 is a brilliantly innovative household sink that helps make daily kitchen chores a breeze. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.